Safe trip, mate. Right, good evening, everybody. Hope you're doing very, very well. Well, he buggered off quick. We're basically at the bottom of the Vosges Mountains at the moment, so we've come all the way down the length of it today. Yeah, we basically decided, because we're above the Vosges Mountains, we're sort of like Vosges Mountain Nord. So we came all the way down on the motorway this morning, and then we've joined the bottom of the Vosges Mountains, and we're going to slowly work our way up on all the really nice roads. So we just went for a swim in this, which is very, very, very refreshing, as you could tell by the three verys. Do you feel refreshed after your swim?
I do, it was really warm in there.
Really warm. It was quite warm. It was warmer than last night. Way warmer than last night. Nearly died this morning, didn't we?
As you can see, I'm really impressed about our near-death experience.
Yeah. Went round a corner, and there was fresh, like, strips of tar, where they're obviously just filling in little grooves. Absolutely no markings on the road to say that there was fresh tarmac on there. So I went round the corner, across like these little things, and front wheel just did that. Shit me up a little bit. Thanks, France.
One group member connected.
That was a really nice face.
Oh, I keep forgetting the camera's there.
He just went really cross-eyed.
Yeah, I keep forgetting the camera's there and I make the faces at you and I'm like, oh. That will come back to bite me in the arse one day.
That's going to be immortalised on the internet for the rest of eternity. So we're at Lake de Alfield. Giving Joe the clap. Again.
Not for the first time.
Oh, Multistrada. Oh, Multistrada.
Many bikes coming.
I think Multistradas are the new GSs. Because Multistradas don't wave back at you. And they all wear high visors.
I suppose it is now the new most expensive adventure bike out.
Well, my beard is very wet. I think that corner there was about as far as we were leaning over on that corner where we slipped, so I think we're okay now.
I'm definitely more wary on the side that we lent, like, going on a right turn doesn't bother me.
Oh, this is beautiful. What road is this? The Rue de Ballon de Alsace. Lovely bit of road. D466. The top, if you turn left, it goes onto a switchback road rather than right.
You go right, it heads over to that road that
Mabel was saying about.
So well, I'm happy to do either.
I wonder whether you can do both.
Depends. Do we want to get to those other places you were saying about?
Oh. Every time I do that, my leg goes back and I hit that, and I'm like,
yeah,
oh,
I've just had the exact same
balance.
problem, and then hit the brakes, and then Nicole's come sliding forward, and you're like, oh yeah, shit, feet, legs,
Oh yeah,
head, shoulders,
feet,
knees, and toes.
Oh yeah, shit feet, legs. It doesn't not look bad going that way. Should we just go this way? Oh, KTM, bang. The symphony of LC8. Oh, it sounds so good! D465. This bike just feels so much more at home on roads like this. Like, it just feels so much more comfortable powering out of corners and throwing it in and stuff.
I assume the guy in front isn't really giving it any because we're both 2 up.
To be fair, I'm quite enjoying just riding relatively sensibly on it.
I was going to say, this pace is good for me right now. I'm still a little sensitive.
Well, that's why I'm not going much faster.
I think we're about to head towards the Rue de Lorraine.
Oh, Lorraine? It's definitely more fun powering up a switchback rather than down a switchback.
There's more work on your arms down here, isn't it?
Yeah. Ah, the boys! Joe, fire hydrant. That was quite cool.
On a hairpin. It almost looks like it has a face.
A yellow fire hydrant.
Oh, now they're just taking the piss.
You look between the trees every now and then, you realise how high up we are right now.
Alsace.
River dangerous.
River Dantoricius.
Oh, it's like a mini carousel.
Carousel. Hot lap for the Nürburgring 2 up.
Imagine the content.
Yeah.
I think I'm out for the Nürburg.
Oh, okay.
I'd be interested to see how fast I could do it on this bike.
Without me.
And probably without a top box as well.
This is all the bits that bloke was telling me that I should go do.
Oh, perfect. Maniac. I definitely saw my speed as I went past, forgetting how quick this bike can go. It's just like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, many legal miles an hour.
Could do with a little break soon.
Okay. How does 9 minutes sound?
Yeah, that's fine.
Is that what you say to her in the bedroom as well, Joe?
9? That's including
9 minutes?
something.
Yeah. That's including getting undressed, crying and everything afterwards.
In fact, does it include walking to the bedroom, right?
Yeah, from your house to his.
Yeah.
Was that speed alright?
Yeah, it's when we go on the really tight corners I can feel I'm not leaning as much as I normally would.
I have to say it was quite nice earlier having that lake almost to ourselves.
Yeah.
Only like, what, 10 other people there in total. This road ahead looks unreal.
Cars look pretty.
Don't even need to get out second. Really not enjoying the very black tar snakes.
Flashbacks.
I mean, that view off to the left is,
Incredible.
yeah. See the whole valley that runs. Oh, I'm falling asleep.
What is that?
So, Nicole, based on mine and Sam's reactions to the bike in front, would you hazard a guess what kind of bike it is?
No, probably
Fucking-
not. 'Cause you don't say the bikes you don't like. You just make disgusted comments about it.
I'm gonna go with GS.
Hey!
I've obviously been moaning
I
about
have
them
made
long
you
enough.
comments about GS riders.
We have to properly see the full length of this piece of road and
You love seeing the full length.
do a safe overtake.
Use all 100 horsepower, Joe. Go on.
Sneak a peek at the view if you can.
Oh my god, wow.
Also, with 2 people on the bike, my indicators don't seem to go mad every time I brake remotely hard, which is quite nice.
I would assume you're probably not braking as hard as you would if you're on the bike on your own, though.
Oh no.
Do you think that there's such thing as like boat dogging?
Probably.
A genuine question, not just trying to be funny, but I wonder whether like
No, there must be.
4 or 5 boats go out, flashlights at each other, and then connect the boats in the middle.
Or like in the canals, they just all end up docking.
I guess that'd be what it would be called, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Boat docking.
Yeah, I've gone docking.
Do you know any good at docking hotspots?
And for anyone who hasn't yet, please refer to the Urban Dictionary.
Or don't. if you're not sure, just probably don't look it up.
Sharp one.
Yeah, noticed that last minute. Followed by Emma's hands pushing into my back. I made a vital error in not overtaking the Saxo. I didn't realise we were coming up to a twisty bit of road, so I was just chilling. Jay, chilling, bro. Emma, hold on.
I don't mind overtakes, to be fair.
It's only when I make sure I've warned you of them, rather than just casually cruising and suddenly I drop down to second and pin the shit out of it.
Yeah, if I could pay attention, if I'm like able to see what's going on in front of me, I can kind of usually guess when it's going to happen.
Sometimes I'm sure you forget how much power your bike does have. Just go for that last minute. Yeah, I think I might do it.
What my head did was like, oh yeah, that'll be easy. And then I went, oh no, I've got someone on the back. And then like double format and went, oh no, it will still be fine.
Probably.
Holy
Wow.
fuck.
Oh wow. Car there, Joe.
Look at
Outside
the road,
of
not the view. That was fully me just looking at the view, not remotely at the road. Bloody Nora.
I think I was looking at the road more than you were then. Some life flashed before my eyes.
If you see some of Joe's other near misses, they're a lot worse than that.
Last year, for example.
Which part, France or Scotland?
Oh, France.
Sorry, I probably should have warned you about that one.
No, we're all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, big shout out to Man for Bikes for sorting out top box shit for this bike. It miles easier.
Who's miles easier?
Whee! It just means that I can carry everything I need for 2 people on day trips and not have to worry about putting panniers on. And I literally told Man for Bikes what bike I had, and they went, yep, these are all the bits you need. This is how it all works. Oh, nice.
You were looking for a top box and they just sorted you one out like at a really good price.
Yeah.
With all the mounting and everything for it.
Yeah. So they don't actually have the metal givey top boxes on their website or anything. But if you go to them and say, I want this box and I've got this bike, what do I need? They will just sort it out. Like, they are absolute troopers.
And it also turned up stupidly fast.
Oh yeah, I was expecting it to be like a week and a half, and I think it was like 3 days or something. And they were just like, yeah, done, sorted.
I have to say, like, I know I shout out a lot of companies and stuff, but those guys just seem, they're just so lovely.
Yeah.
Like, nothing is too much trouble. Like, I text Rich on a Sunday evening, oh, by the way, I've just thought about something that I might need. This is one for tomorrow. Don't reply now. Let's talk in the week. But
sending it so I remember myself, kind of thing, isn't it?
And literally, like, he'll send me a PayPal request 20 minutes later. I'm like, oh, like, absolute hero.
Yeah, they're all legends down there as well. And then as well, RoadSkin for sorting out some jeans. So we managed to get a set of jeans nice and quickly. And they sent a few different sizes just so we could get the right ones and then return the others, kind of thing.
I can't wait to find out that none of this is recorded. You've just done a massive shout out for Man for Bikes and RoadSkin and then find out the audio recorder's turned itself off.
Oh, Trabian.
As we came out of that corner to that view then, I got truly madly deeply playing. It was like, I want to stand with you on a mountain. I was like,
oh,
cute timing.
Oh, how convenient. Look at me getting fuel nearly when I had plenty left.
Proud of you.
Oh, are you paying?
I am.
Thanks, fella.
Not sure. Yeah, I thought it would be a tap thing, and then I had to put it in, and I was like, I don't know this pin.
Thanks for paying, bro.
We said we'd share it, so I'm living up to that.
Right, everybody, I'm going to turn my cameras off now because we've just filled up and it's just a bit of a run home now. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in next week's video. Emma, say bye.
Huh?
Say bye.
Oh, bye.
Nice and up close to your face.
Yeah, move back.
Your nice sweaty face. Oh, KTM Super Duke GT. Very, very nice. Oh, good old girl. She's doing well, isn't she? Right, speak to you soon. Bye. Love you. Bye.